Hello and welcome back to your channel. Let us do question number 5. Question number 4 and 5. Question number 4 is, what is the question number 4? That represent root 9.3 on a number line. So you have done root 9.3 on a number line. I told you in the previous one, same like that what you will do. Draw a line of 9.3 centimeter. Then let us say this is OA, then draw 1 centimeter more. This is 1 centimeter more from here to here. Then what you have to do? You have to bisect OB. With a compass, take more than half, cut an arc both the side from point O, cut an arc both the side. Join these two. So this is your bisector, this much and this much are equal. Let me say this is the center point C. So what you will do? From here to here, put the compass here, draw a semicircle. Then from A, draw a perpendicular with the help of compass and you will get this point, D point. Then this much distance from here to here is root 9.3. Now measure this much there and cut an arc here. This much you measure and from here cut an arc here. Now this is 0 from number line 1, 2, 3 you measure and this is from here to here is 9.3. Okay, now come to your question number 5. Question number 5 is rationalize the denominator. Okay, so first part is 1 upon root 7. That means you have to make the denominator as rational number. So what you will do? Root 7 and root 7. Because if you are multiplying this by root 7, so it will become 7. Same you have to do in the numerator. What you are doing in numerator, same you have to do in the denominator. 1 into root 7 is 7. Root 7 into 7 is 7. Then denominator has become the rational number. Second type of question is 1 upon root 7 minus root 6. If these type of question will come, what you do? You have to just multiply it by its conjugate in numerator and denominator. So keep in bracket, multiply by its conjugate means sign will become opposite. Root 7 plus root 6 and denominator also root 7 plus root 6. 1 into this will become same, root 7 plus root 6 and denominator. A minus B into A plus B. What is A minus B into A plus B formula? A square minus B square. So A is root 7 is square, minus B is root 6 square. So numerator will not change. Root 7 plus root 6, denominator root 7 square is 7 minus 6. It will become root 7 plus root 6 upon 1. Now see the denominator. Now it is rational number. So it is rationalized. You can write it like this. Root 7 plus root 6. Okay. Same way in the third part. This is 1 upon root 5 plus root 2. So you have to multiply numerator and denominator by root 5 minus root 2 and denominator also root 5 minus root 2. Then A plus B, A minus B denominator. Same in fourth part. Now come to your next exercise 1.6. It's very easy. Try yourself. Okay. So now exercise 1.6, as you have seen class 8 you have done the exponent and power. Done. So that means what are the rules there? A bases are same, F powers are different, so base powers are multiplied. Second rule was bases are different, power are same, so base you will multiply and power you will take outside common. If A base are same and it is divide, so A raised to the power m minus other rules are A raised to the power is 0. Okay, is 1. So these rules you have done, more are there. So we will keep on doing. Okay. So come to first question, first part. First question, first part. Your first question, first part is 64 raised to the power 1 upon 2. 64 raised to the power 1 upon 2. So how you can do it? 64 we can write 8 square. 8 8s are 64. Raised to the power 1 upon 2. Open it. A is raised to the power 2. Nothing is here. Multiply. 1 upon 2. 2 to 2 cancel. That means it is 8. Answer. Come to your third part. Second part you will do. You will try yourself. They are very easy. 125 raised to the power 1 upon 3. So how you can do 125? 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125. 5 raised to the power 3 raised to the power 1 upon 3. Open it, 5 raised to the power 3. Nothing is there, multiply 1 upon 3. 3 to 3 cancel. That means answer is 5. Now come to question number 2. I think you will be able to do it. Definitely you can do it. Question number 2 will do find 9 raised to the power 3 upon 2. So, very easy, same like this. 9 can be written as 3 square. Outside 3 upon 2 will remain as it is. So, open the bracket, 3 raised to the power 2 multiplied by 3 upon 2. 2 to 2 cancel. 3 raised to the power 3. What is 3 raised to the power 3? 27. Come to its fourth part. Fourth part is 125 raised to the power minus 1 upon 3. 125 raised to the power minus 1 upon 3. So what same? 5 raised to the power 3 is 125 minus 1 upon 3. Open the bracket. 5 raised to the power 3 into minus 1 upon 3. 3 to 3 cancel. So it is 5 raised to the power minus. 5 raised to the power minus 1 can be written as नीचे भेज देते हैं तो power will become positive 1 upon 5. This is your answer. Come to question number 3. Simplify. Okay. Revise the video if you don't know. Try yourself. Revise the video. Then keep on doing. Question number 3. It is your simplify. The question is 2 raised to the power 2 upon 3 into 2 raised to the power 1 upon 5. 2 raised to the power 2 upon 3 into 2 raised to the power 1 upon 5. Bases are same. Powers are added. Okay. So 2 raised to the power, take the LCM 15, 3 5s are, 5 2s are 10, plus 5 3s are, so 3. That means 2 raised to the power 13 upon 15. Let me take one more part. Third part, 11 raised to the power 1 upon 2 divided by 11 raised to the power 1 upon 4. Bases are same. Division hai. So 11 raised to the power, powers are subtracted. Okay. So it will become 11 raised to the power, take the LCM 4, 2 minus 1. That means 11 raised to the power 1 upon 4. Answer. Your exercise 1.6 is completed and chapter is also completed. Do it, do all the example, and please don't forget to subscribe. Okay. Bye bye.